friends, did you know that Google Docs can make a table of contents for you? Yep, when working on a long Google Doc with different sections and loads of content, a table of contents can help create some much needed order and provide navigation options. In another WCS Ed Tech tip, we showed how Google Docs will create an outline automatically. Using that same principle, we can use the options within Google Docs to automatically make a table of contents based on text using the headings format. Let's take a look at how to make it happen. Creating a table of contents works as a result of setting up a document using text styles. When creating a document with different sections and content, don't just highlight titles, subtitles, and headers and manually change the font size and color. Instead, use that text styles option just like we demonstrated in Auto Create and Customize Outlines in Google Docs. Using those text styles sets up the hierarchy for a table of contents as well. Once the document is laid out using those text styles with titles and different headings, we can place the cursor where we want the table of contents to appear, like maybe here at the top of this document. Then at the toolbar, select Insert. In the drop-down that appears, scroll down and select Table of Contents. There we can choose between 3 table of contents formats. The first option shows the heading titles and page numbers with links to each heading. The second shows the heading links connected with dotted lines to the page numbers. The third shows the heading titles with hyperlink styling for each heading without page numbers. One of the best features of this auto-created table of contents is that for all 3 formats, each heading is automatically hyperlinked and makes navigation to different sections of a document quick and easy. Just click and voila! The screen will automatically jump to that section. If something needs changing, simply click on the table of contents and select the Action button for a couple of options. We can remove the table of contents or select More Options. When More Options is selected, a sidebar will open on the screen. We can change outline formats, selecting from the 3 options available. For example, if we know that our audience might not know to select an item within the table of contents as a hyperlink, but they will easily recognize that the blue underlined text is a link, we might choose that option. We also can personalize the formatting, page numbers, line styles, and heading levels to show in the new table of contents. If something is added to the document and the table of contents needs to be updated, click on the table and choose Update Table of Contents. Updating will automatically add the new sections or rearrange them as needed. Once again, use the text styles options found in the toolbar when setting up the document. Place the cursor at the desired location for the table of contents. Then, at the toolbar, select Insert and scroll down to select Table of Contents to add it to the document. To update the table of contents, click on the table of contents. Use the Action button to make changes or remove the table of contents. Use the Update Table of Contents button when changes have been made to the document and the table of contents needs updating. Well, that's a wrap for WCS Ed Tech Tip, Create a Table of Contents in Google Docs.